Hi there, welcome. Today we're going to talk about something really important for your job at the warehouse. We're going to learn how to talk about problems. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, so here's our plan for today. We'll start with problems at work. Then we'll learn some key words and simple phrases. After that, we'll see it all in a conversation. And finally, you'll get your own action plan. Let's jump right in. All right, first stop, problems at work. You know, in a busy warehouse, sometimes things go wrong, and that's totally normal. The big thing is knowing what to say when that happens.
So, picture this. You're working and suddenly a machine just stops. What do you say? Don't worry if you don't know. We're going to learn the answer right now, together.
Okay, on to section 2, know your words. To talk about any problem, you've got to know the right words first. Think of them like tools that help you communicate clearly.
Our first word is malfunction. Let's say it slowly. Malfunction. One more time. Malfunction. And what does it mean? It's simple. It just means the machine is not working.
All right, our next word is delay. Listen, delay. A delay just means that something is late. So, because of a problem, the work is going slow.
Okay, how about this one? Replacement. Let's break it down. Replacement. So if a box is broken or an item is bad, you need a new one, right? That new one is called a replacement.
And our last new word for today is urgent. Say it with me. Urgent. Now this is a really important word. When something is urgent, it means you need help right away, right now.
Awesome. Now you know the words. So let's move on to our next part, simple, useful phrases. We're going to learn how to put those words together. Okay, here's our first super useful phrase. Just listen. The machine is not working. Simple, right? Let's say it again together. The machine is not working. And you can use this for any machine. The scanner, the conveyor belt, anything.
So what if things are moving slowly? What do you say then? Well, you can say this. There's a delay in our work. Let's try it one more time. There's a delay in our work. This is a great way to tell your supervisor what's happening.
Okay, now let's learn how to ask a question. So if an item is damaged, you can ask, "Can I get a replacement?" Let's practice that again. Can I get a replacement? See? That's how you ask for a new item.
And this next one, it might be the most important phrase of all. When you need help, just ask, "Can you help me with this?" It is always okay to ask for help. Really.
All right, let's do a super quick review. Let's go over our 4 phrases. The machine is not working. There's a delay in our work. Can I get a replacement? And can you help me with this? You're doing great.
Okay, time for section 4, putting it all together. Now we get to see how these words and phrases actually work in a real conversation at work. This is where it gets really useful. All right, let's look at our first scene. So imagine a worker has a scanner, for the boxes, but it's broken. It's just not working. So what does the worker do? He finds his supervisor and says, "There's a technical problem with the scanner." See? Very simple, very clear. And the supervisor knows exactly what's wrong. He says, "Stop using it and bring it to the office." And just like that, the problem is on its way to being solved.
Okay, let's look at another scene. This time, a worker is packing orders, but she sees that one of the boxes is damaged. It's crushed or torn. So what does she do?
She uses one of our key phrases. She finds her supervisor and says, "This box is damaged. Can I get a replacement?" That is the perfect way to explain the problem and ask for what she needs.
And the supervisor's answer is really helpful. Yes, check section C for another one. Great, now she knows exactly where to go and what to do.
We've made it to our last section, your action plan. This is all about what you should do. We're going to make a super simple plan for you to follow whenever a problem comes up.
It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously, first, number 1, see the problem. And remember, don't worry, it's okay. Step 2, use your words. Just use the simple phrases we learned today. And finally, step 3, ask for help. Find a coworker or a supervisor and tell them what's wrong.
And that's really it. Just remember those simple steps and phrases, and you'll be able to handle small problems at work no problem. You've learned the words, you've practiced the phrases, and now you have a plan. You are ready. You did a great job today.